How to reset matches on Tinder. Hello everyone, this is Reshma and welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you how to reset matches on Tinder. Before getting started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, you need to go to your Tinder application. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account. On this feed, you can swipe it left if you don't like the person or swipe it right if you like the person. On the bottom, you can see different icon. From there, you have to tap on profile icon which is on the bottom right corner, as this will lead you to my Tinder profile. If you go over the top, you can find setting icon. Tap on it. Here, one thing I have to tell you that you are not able to reset matches on Tinder. This feature is probably not available right now. So the alternative method is to delete your account first and create a new account. To do so, scroll it down to the bottom. You can find the delete account option. Go ahead and tap on it. And it will give you two options. Either you want to delete your account or pause your account. Here we are trying to delete our account, so we have to tap on delete my account option, as this will lead you to this kind of screen interface. From there you have to tap on I want to fresh start option and then select I want to reset my matches. Then tap on continue to account deletion. And one thing that you have to keep in mind that deleting this account means all the matches and likes you have got on Tinder will be vanished forever. And if you are sure about to delete your account, then go ahead and tap on delete my account option. I hope you found this tutorial video informative and easy. Then do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And also press the notification bell so you won't be missing any update from us.